Digital twin of Limberlost Place was delivered through a collaboration between GetTech, PCL Construction and George Brown College. The main objective was to improve construction practices while supporting hands-on learning opportunities for students. Phase 1 of the pilot focused on laser scanning and 4D progress monitoring, while Phase 2 centered on the integration and visualization of IoT sensor data.
Hi, my name is William Mena. My role in the project was to conduct scanning duties every day to capture the progress and status of the site. Personally, I was able to meet and greet a lot of different people on site, whether it's consistently coordinating with PCL in priority areas, talking with trades and how their progress is doing, as well as just coordinating with the others on the pilot to make sure they had timely data delivery.
Students also placed sensors enabling real-time data streams and leak alerts in the digital twin.
I'm Shivani Johan and I'm Sara Sarati. We are GBC graduates.
For our capstone, we collaborate on digital twins of the Limberlost Place as a real-world project for smart building management.
This collaboration turned our classroom theory into a hands-on experience with Flare 3D.
A true demonstration of collaboration, making digital twin innovation possible.